Alsco Yelp reviews. If you've Googled Alsco Yelp reviews and you found this video, you're probably looking at all the other links too, and you're seeing, wow, look at all these Yelp reviews, like 1.0, 1.5, really bad Yelp reviews for Alsco. It's the same with all the other uniform companies. It's a lot harder to get Yelp reviews than it is to get Google reviews. That's why if you look at their Google profile, you'll see a 4.4, 4.5. And so that's one of the reasons why you were probably looking is that you're looking to negotiate a contract and you want to find a good quality company because you've had experiences with other uniform rental companies, okay? So I can tell you this, that most of the uniform rental companies out there are giving bad service. I can help you to negotiate your contract. I can help you to find a better company. But the second reason is that you might be Googling Alsco Yelp reviews is because you're either in arbitration or you got a letter for liquidated loss damages charges. You want to cancel the contract. You want to see what some of the other people out there have experienced with the Alsco Yelp reviews. And so that's what I do for a living, guys. I'm a uniform rental expert witness. I work in depositions. I work with lawyers. I help write legal letters. I cancel contracts. I provide evidence. I send things out to test. So if you need some help, call me up. The first call is always free. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I look forward to talking to you really soon. Bye now.